How about your face?
Braden scratched me.
Oh, so close to your eye.
Yeah, I know. Better give him my burger next time.
Anyways.
Anyway.
Why are there windows on the ground?
Huh. I don't know.
How's it going?
Good morning.
So why are there windows on the ground?
Yeah, that is a little weird.
We'll have to see what's going on once we get in there. But the outside looks pretty decent. What do you think?
This house looks completely different than every other house in the neighborhood.
Kind of funky.
Now we're gonna find out why it's priced at $450.
Yeah. Huh. Huh. What in the world is this? This is the weirdest entry I've ever seen. So staircase to the right, staircase to the left, and the railings are really ugly. We have to do something about it. There's a bedroom.
A bedroom right off the entryway? Oh no. See that? When they have those cat toys, we bring home fleas.
Where's the kitchen?
This is the kitchen. This is a big house and the kitchen's like literally 100 square feet.
What do you think it would cost to open this up right here?
As long as we don't have to put a new beam in, a few $100.
And then this size kitchen to remodel it, what are you thinking?
Yeah, probably about 8.
A weird little hallway that leads to bedrooms?
This must be the master.
Ooh.
Oh,
Man.
God.
Now we know where the cats were at.
Oh my God.
Jeez.
This carpet's gotta be 80 years old. There's gotta be like 80 pounds of cat pee.
I think this is a small bathroom, probably about 5,000 to 6,000 to remodel this thing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's nasty.
Then down the hall, there are 2 more bedrooms and a bath.
Look at this. The flooring is so old, it's come back in style.
Ha, you're right. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,600 square foot house. There's a master suite, 2 bedrooms, and a bathroom off the hallway. Then there's another bedroom right at the top of the stairs by the entryway. And then there's also stairs to another room. So this house actually has 3 levels. Oh, this is the windows on the floor. Is this considered a basement?
There's something you don't have in California.
This could actually be a nice room. If it was cleaned up, painted, nice floor, it could be a little game room, TV room. This could be a 5th bedroom and it would raise our value a lot.
Looks like it could be.
You're probably looking at about $90,000.
I thought it would be worse than that. This backyard is big enough and it will work for a backyard remodel.
For sure.
If we get this house, we can do a decking, maybe a fire pit, maybe a bar. The only thing that's weird is such dead space over there.
Yeah, might be a good spot for the fire pit. I think it'd be cool.
I do know one thing, if we spent money back here, we would get money out just based on the fact that this area brings value. So I think this is the perfect house. What do you think it would cost to make the backyard look incredible?
I think to totally do up this backyard would be about $65,000.
All right. This is a really big project. Inside, we're budgeting about $90,000, and on the outside, we're looking at about $65,000. $155,000 will make this house the envy of the block, but it will probably end up costing us more because it always does. Well, this is definitely gonna be an interesting one if we get it.
Oh yeah, it needs a lot of work to make it have good flow and to make it really cool. So I think if we got it lower, like 415, it makes sense.
You want me to call and offer the 415?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hey, this is Tarek and Christina. We're over at your property in Long Beach.
Hi.
You know what, based on the condition and the floor plan, I'd say the max we can offer you would be $415, all cash as is, and we can close in 5 days.
Wow. Okay, let me talk to my wife about it.
Okay, just give us a call right away because we're ready to pull the trigger if you are.
Oh, will do.
Okay, great, thanks. After talking to his wife, the owner came back with a counter of $420,000, and we accepted. And now we're wasting no time in starting the demo. How's it going, Chris?
Doing well, how are you?
The backyard needs some major overhaul. So last week we met with our landscape contractor to go over some ideas. And today he's showing us the plans that he came up with. The backyard is gonna have a fire pit, decking, barbecue, seating, TV, and a big waterfall.
This is basically everything we discussed.
Wow, look at that.
We've got our deck, we've got a couple of steps down, so it's that 2-level concept.
I like that. Is that the water feature?
Mm-hmm.
That is amazing, super cool.
So this is our barbecue and our entertainment wall. You could do a flat screen TV there. We've got a dining area in the center of the deck, and then this area, which is like a conversation pit, fire pit area.
It's killer.
We still need to pick out finishes, but buyers are gonna love it.
The rain is definitely not helping this backyard remodel.
I mean, come on, it never rained. Now it's like pouring.
Okay, so we need to pick a veneer for the barbecue area.
Yeah, basically everything. The water feature, the barbecue, the fire pit, and the entertainment wall.
Want to do materials inside the house?
Yeah. So this is gonna be Waterfall barbecue fire pit.
This is actually a manufactured product.
Oh, looks totally real.
What do you think about the coloring? It has like gray and beige.
I love it. I think it's super cool.
Okay, so let's use this as the veneer. But I guess my question is, do you feel this yard calls for all this stone, or do you think, looking at the waterfall, we could do like a glass mosaic?
That would look really cool.
Sure, we could do that.
And I also think we could do a cool pattern tile for the bar area.
And then what are we gonna do for counters, like a poured concrete?
I think in concrete would be really pretty. You know, it'd be cool if we kind of carried that look inside and did concrete counters inside too, in the kitchens and bathrooms.
Huh. Let's do that.
That'd be awesome.
All right, sounds good.
House looks good.
Hey, Jeff.
What's going on, you guys?
How are you?
Good.
House is back together. It looks clean and open.
Yeah, nice and fresh.
Oh my God, you remember the kitchen before? It was all blocked in. Now it's awesome. Now that the cabinets are gone, we have to make it a little sleeker for the small space. So what do you think in design?
So in here, I feel like it's small, so it's all about maximizing design. And I think this right here for backsplash would go perfect in this house. So I feel like we should carry the materials that we're doing outside, inside. So I wanna use this as a backsplash and outside on the water feature.
Perfect. What kind of cabinets are we doing here?
I think flat panel, shiny white would look amazing. And then the polished concrete countertops.
Okay.
That looks so awesome.
You like it?
Yeah, it looks like very unique. This, I think actually that was my favorite. It almost looks like running water. It's probably my favorite part of the whole yard. It really does look awesome.
This color is awesome. Right. Watch the fingers. Concrete is heavy. These counters came out so cool. Oh, and then check this out. Once we get the backsplash in, oh gosh, it's gonna be so nice.
That's gonna be clean.
So I'm thinking everything looks awesome except this wall right here. It just looks kind of boring.
Okay, so I agree because it's a lowered ceiling, so that's all you see.
Ever since we first walked through the front door of this house, it's really bothered me that the first thing we see is this boring wall. So I want to do an accent wall here. So I'm thinking this color is going to tie in the kitchen backsplash and that water feature out there.
And what's the color in?
Interesting aqua.
So that's a good choice. Hey, it's looking good.
Yeah, man.
So to keep the theme of the outside and bring it inside, this is the same tile as the kitchen backsplash and the waterfall. So
Right.
I want to put this in the shampoo niche.
So what do you think?
You know what? Because it's so white in here, that really works. I
Yeah.
love it. We want to put this also down here on the floor. This is the tile that we used on the fireplace and the bar area outside.
Yeah, it's gonna look good.
Yeah, it's gonna be great.
It looks
you
awesome.
have no idea what I went through for this.
Once it's staged, it's going to look even better.
And look at concrete counter, came out really nice. We have the TV. I can see someone hanging out out here.
Yeah, for sure. Let's turn on the waterfall and light up the fire. This yard turned out even better than I thought.
I hear noise.
It's coming.
Oh, tranquility.
Nice. I mean, who wouldn't want to spend time in this backyard? Is it getting flames? Oh, there you go.
Oh, that's gonna be beautiful at night. You know what? A buyer's seriously gonna buy this house because of this yard.
What are we gonna list it for? We bought it for $420.
Yeah.
We put how much into it?
170?
It's a home run.
No matter what, it's a home run. This is good news. And we have comps in the high sixes, but none of them have yards like this. I'm thinking we can go as high as like 750.
I for sure think 750. And once we get staged, it's gonna look even better.
Wow, look at the backyard.
I know, that is beautiful. This is a nice little spot back here.
And it's just an extension of your living space.
That's beautiful.
This is so pretty.
I love the decks.
I like the fountain.
Isn't that relaxing, just listening to the water?
Can I touch the waterfall? Careful. Yeah, wouldn't that be fun?
Wow, look at this kitchen.
Touch it. Wow. Isn't it sparkly?
This is really nice.
I know, I love this.
And there is an ensuite.
Nice.
This is pretty. I do love the floors.
Yeah.
I love this. Look at the tile.
It kind of ties together the whole house. Stairs, be careful. I would use this space for a playroom for you guys, Sydney.
I think this would be a good space for you guys.
Yeah.
For like a game room. You could put all your books there.
So, what do you guys think?
The basement is pretty neat. I think we would use that as a playroom.
We really think that spending money in the backyard has paid off. We accepted an offer of $745,000 and the house is officially in escrow. So if this deal goes through, after deducting all of our expenses, we'll make a profit of just over $120,000. Time to find another house to flip.